Ever wondered how WireShark can be used in cybersecurity? Today, we'll demystify this powerful tool. WireShark, for those who aren't familiar, is a network protocol analyzer. It's essentially a tool that takes network traffic, all those bits and bytes that fly around a network, and turns it into something that we humans can understand and interact with. But why is it important in the realm of cybersecurity? Well, WireShark helps us diagnose network problems, analyze network traffic, develop software and communications protocols, and much more. It's a bit like a mechanic's diagnostic tool, but for networks. We can use WireShark to identify network traffic patterns, detect malicious activity, and even to troubleshoot network issues. It's a versatile tool that's become a staple in the cybersecurity toolkit. In essence, WireShark is like an X-ray for network traffic, allowing us to see what's happening beneath the surface. Now that we know what WireShark is, let's jump into the installation and setup process. Whether you're operating on Windows, macOS, or Linux, WireShark has got you covered. Start by navigating to the WireShark website and downloading the appropriate version for your operating system. Run the installer and follow the on-screen prompts, accepting the defaults unless you have a specific need to change them. Now, onto the setup. Upon launching WireShark for the first time, you'll be presented with a list of network interfaces. These are essentially the connections through which your computer communicates with the outside world. You'll need to select the one you want to monitor. For most people, this will be the one that's currently connected to the internet. Once you've selected your network interface, you're ready to begin capturing packets. But before we dive into that, let's take a moment to understand what packet capturing is all about in our next segment. Packet capture is the heart of WireShark's functionality. But what exactly does it mean to capture a packet? Well, think of packets as tiny digital couriers, zipping through the vast networks of the internet, carrying bits of information from one place to another. They're the lifeblood of online communication, whether it's an email, a web page, or a video stream. Now, capturing these packets is like having a front row seat to the inner workings of your network. It's like being able to open every courier's bag, look inside, and see exactly what information is being sent, where it's going, and how it's getting there. And that's exactly what WireShark allows us to do. So, how do we start capturing packets? With WireShark open, you simply click on the name of the network interface you want to monitor. It's as simple as that. WireShark will then start to list all the packets passing through that interface in real time. Each row in this list represents a single packet. You'll see the packet's number, the time it was captured, the source and destination addresses, the protocol it's using, and a brief summary of its contents. It's like having a detailed shipping manifest for every piece of data on your network. Now let's talk about what you can see from a packet. Each packet carries with it an abundance of information. For example, the source and destination addresses tell you where the packet is coming from and where it's going. The protocol, whether it's TCP, UDP, HTTP, or something else, tells you how the packet is traveling. But that's not all. By digging deeper into each packet, you can see more detailed information, like the specific port it's using, the sequence and acknowledgement numbers in TCP packets, or the details of the HTTP request in HTTP packets. By capturing and analyzing packets, we can gain a wealth of information about our network's activity. It's like having X-ray vision for your network, allowing you to see the inner workings of your online world. And with that knowledge, you can begin to understand, troubleshoot, and secure your network like never before. Now that we've covered the basics, how is WireShark used in the field of cybersecurity? WireShark is an essential tool for cybersecurity professionals. Its primary function is to capture and analyze network traffic, but its uses extend far beyond this. In the realm of cybersecurity, WireShark is frequently used to identify and investigate malicious network activity. By examining network packets, cybersecurity experts can uncover signs of intrusion attempts, malware infections, and other threats. For example, let's say there's an unusual amount of traffic coming from a specific IP address. This could be a sign of a potential attack or an infected device on your network. With WireShark, you can drill down into this traffic and investigate further. By looking at the packets, you can identify the type of traffic, where it's coming from, and where it's going, allowing you to take appropriate action. WireShark is also an excellent tool for troubleshooting network problems. If your network is running slowly or you're experiencing connection issues, WireShark can help you identify the root cause. You can examine the packets to see if there's a high volume of retransmissions or delayed acknowledgements, which could indicate a problem with your network. Now, Let's touch on some of the advanced features of WireShark. The program offers color coding to make it easier to distinguish between different types of traffic. You can also use filters to narrow down your packet view and focus on specific types of traffic. This can be particularly useful when you're dealing with a large volume of network data. Another powerful feature of WireShark is its decryption tools. If you're dealing with encrypted traffic, WireShark can decrypt it, allowing you to analyze the data within. This can be incredibly useful when investigating potential security threats. With its comprehensive features and powerful analysis capabilities, WireShark is an invaluable tool for anyone involved in cybersecurity. WireShark, with its ability to dissect network traffic, is a formidable tool in the cybersecurity toolkit. Today we've journeyed through an overview of WireShark, learned how to install and set it up, dived into the basics of packet capture, and explored its vital role in cybersecurity. It's a tool that empowers us to understand, analyze, and ultimately secure our digital environments. Next time you're curious about what's happening on your network, remember, WireShark is your window into the world of network communication.